So in the previous video you have seen how to solve the questions of the trigonometry. So in this we will move to the next topic. Let's see some more formula for solving trigonometric question. Sine 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equals to sine theta. Sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta is equals to sec theta, and just like that cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equals to cot theta. By using this formula we will solve the further questions. So in the first question it is given that sine 90 minus a cos a plus cos 90 minus a sine a. So let's do it. Sine 90 minus a cos a plus cos 90 minus a sine a. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, so it will become cos a, and here it's already cos a, so we will write it as it is, plus cos 90 minus theta is sine theta, so it will become cos square a plus sine square a, which is equals to 1. Let's see the next part of the question, in which it is given cot 54 degree upon tan 36 degree plus tan 20 degree upon cot 70 degree minus 2. In this we have to see the pairs, so we will change only one variable, either tan 20 from here or cot 70 from here, or we will change cot 54 or tan 36. So I am changing cot 54 from here and tan 20 from here. So it will become cot 90 minus 36 upon tan 36 plus tan 90 minus 70 upon cot 70 minus 2. As you can see, if we subtract 90 and 36, we will get 54. So cot 90 minus theta is tan theta, so it will become tan 36 upon tan 36 plus cot 70 upon cot 70 minus 2. So they will cancel out to form 1, and 1 plus 1 equals to 2, and minus 2, which will be 0. And let's see our third question, which is tan 10 degree dot tan 15 degree. So in this we will pair tan 10 with tan 80 and 15 with 75. Why I am pairing this, let's see. First, tan 10 dot tan 80, tan 15 tan 75. Now if we convert this tan 10 to cot and this tan 15 to cot, they will cancel out. Let's see how. So we can write it as tan 90 minus 80 into tan 80 tan 90 minus 75 into tan 75. So it will become tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, and here also tan 90 minus theta, it will become cot 75, and tan dot cot is equals to 1. So they will be cancelled out and they will 2. It will become 1 equals to 1. Here in the question it is given that for triangle ABC, show that sine a plus b by 2 equals to cos c by 2. So let's see how to solve it. Sine a plus b upon 2 is equals to cos c upon 2. It is saying that A, B and C is a triangle. So we can write that A plus B plus C equals to 180 degree. From here we can write A plus B equals to 180 minus C. Now we will divide the equation by 2. It will become A plus B upon 2 is equals to 180 upon 2 will become 90 minus C upon 2. So we have got this equation. Now we will put it into our equation. So in place of A plus B upon 2 we can write that 90 minus C by 2. So it will become sine 90 minus C upon 2. So sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So we can write it as cos C by 2. That's what we have to prove. LHS equals to RHS. In the second part of question, it is given that find the value of A if sine 90 minus 3A dot cosec 42 degree is equals to 1. So it is given that sine 90 minus 3A dot cosec 42 degree is equals to 1. So first of all we can see that here it is sine 90 minus theta. It will become cos 3A, and cosec can be written as 1 upon sine 42 degree is equals to 1. Now we can send this sine 42 from division to multiplication. So it will become cos 3A equals to sine 42 degree. If we subtract 42 from 90, it will become 8 minus 4 is 48 degree. So we will convert it into cos. Cos 3A is equals to sine 90 minus 48. So it will become cos 48, which is equals to cos 3A. Cos and cos will be cancelled out, and 3a will be equals to 48 and a will be equals to 48 upon 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 6 is 18. So the value of a is 16 degree.